Thank you, madam, for giving me this opportunity. Actually, I expected our Honorable Minister Sharad Pawar ji here today to reply to this calling attention notice, madam. Rawat ji is there, Shinde Saab, and our Muniappa ji, our Honorable Minister from Karnataka, is also here. When I go through the statement, madam, the Honorable Minister has said in his opening remarks, I share the concern of honorable members on severe drought condition in the state of Karnataka, resulting in failure of kharif and rabi crops. Moili Saab bhi hai. Madam, that means that even Government of India knows. Roy Saab is there, all of you, the entire government is here. Madam, the central government also knows that the drought condition in Karnataka is very, very severe. Madam, it is so severe that in last 42 years, this was the severest drought Karnataka has witnessed. It is in Karnataka, it's in adjoining Maharashtra, it's in adjoining Andhra Pradesh and some other parts of the country. But when with great anguish, all of us, the honorable members, have raised this issue, we expected that the Government of India would respond to this with all the seriousness. But when I go through the statement, madam, it pains me. The only word I can use is callousness of the Government of India towards drought-affected people of the country, especially of Karnataka, Andhra, Maharashtra and other states. Madam, go to page number 8. I request the Honorable Minister also through you. The central team recommended an amount of 296.58 crores. Finally, Government of India approved an amount of 186 crores, of which 70.23 crores was released. Prahlad Joshi was telling that the amount of loss in only the state of Karnataka, in which 24 districts and 126 taluks are affected, thousands and thousands of villages are affected. And it is not a singular drought, madam, it is a double drought. Yani, both Kharif and Rabi, both crops have been lost. The total loss is 5,953 crores. And what is the amount that they have released? 70 crores. And not only that, further it has been said, rupees 116.45 crore was adjusted from the state SDRF balance as per extant norms. I want to ask the Honorable Minister, the state government has written a letter to them that they don't have any balance in the SDRF account. When they don't have any balance in the SDRF account, how are you going to adjust with that zero account, zero balance? There is no money there. Whom you are hoodwinking? This is throwing धूल झोंकना, गुमराह करना, भ्रमित करना, पूरा सदन को भ्रमित कर रहे. Actually, we have requested, we have demanded the Prime Minister, the Agriculture Minister, the Honorable Prime Minister, when all of us met, even our Karnataka MPs from Congress are there, with them and with the JDS MPs also, we went and met the Honorable Prime Minister. He said he will be having a discussion with the Home Minister. I understand after the Disaster Management Act, they have changed the nomenclature. From CRF, NCCF, it has become NDRF and SDRF. What is the meaning of NDRF, madam? The meaning of NDRF is Disaster Response Fund. If there is a severe disaster, calamity, anywhere in the country, they will rush. As Prahlad Joshi was telling, in November, when we approached the government that we require 2,500 crore rupees, then we asked from the NDRF 723 crore rupees They have given 70 crores. Other money they have not given. And they took 3 weeks to send the team. And the team took 3 months to submit the report. Now they have sent the team for this Rabi season. And I don't know when they are going to submit the report. That means from last 1 year, the entire state is reeling under drought situation. No water, no food. During Vajpayee period, madam, I want to, during no fodder to the livestock. During Atal Bihari Vajpayee's period, madam, when Sri S.M. Krishna was the chief minister, I was here as an urban development minister. They all know they wanted ration for the suffering people there. Immediately 3.5 lakh metric tons of rice we gave to Karnataka within 3 days. We are asking for 1,500 crore rupees relief. We are asking for 3 lakh tons of rice, 54,000 tons of wheat. Not a single grain has been sent to Karnataka. I want to ask Rawatji, I want to ask Muniappaji, because he hails from Karnataka. Why this negligence? Why this apathy? Why this callousness? Veerappa Moily is there. His areas are in drought. Muniappa's areas are in drought. Srimati Sonia Gandhi visited Siddhganga Mutt. When she came there, she went to drought-prone areas also. We thought, she being the UPA chairperson, she being the NAC chairperson, she will advise the Prime Minister, she will advise the Agriculture Minister, she will advise the Finance Minister, Home Minister, that immediately rush some relief to Karnataka. We expected that. But nothing has come. I have my own doubts. The 6 crore people of Karnataka have their own doubts whether Srimati Sonia Gandhi came there to sympathize or to play politics with people of Karnataka.
UPA chairman, she has certainly, as the UPA chairman, she has certainly, 1 minute. As the UPA chairman, she has certainly talked to the government to look after the scarcity in Karnataka, and not only in the Karnataka, Maharashtra also, the UPA chairman has suggested.
Madam,
मिला क्या जाने से रिलीफ क्या मिला और स्टेट का
No, madam, I am not yielding to Moily Saab.
Okay, he's not
No, madam, I will take 1 more minute only.
Please,
No,
your
madam,
time is up.
When the all-party delegation under the leadership of Sadananda Gowda ji, we met Sharad Pawar ji, we said that more than 4,658 villages are having no drinking water. We also said more than 1,200 tanks have dried up. Then we requested him that you speak to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, you speak to the Irrigation Minister of Maharashtra, and from Varna River, you leave 1.2 TMC feet of water to Karnataka, so that the Bijapur, Bagalkot, Belgaum, Chikkodi, such areas, the villages of those areas will get drinking water. On the floor of this house, I want to thank Sharad Pawar ji. He immediately spoke to the Chief Minister, immediately spoke to the Irrigation Minister, and that water was released. We thank him for that. But how can we thank Sonia Gandhi ji, madam? How can we thank Rawat ji? How can we are not making politics. Moily Saab, we are not making politics. In November, we met the Prime Minister, madam. In November, we met the Prime Minister. 1 month back, Srimati Sonia Gandhi visited. We asked for 3 lakh metric tons of grains, rice, 54,000 metric tons of wheat, 1,500 crores of rupees. Okay. Nothing has come.
Okay.
Nothing has come.
Okay.
And they are saying,
now, please
no, madam, they are saying for the future balance.
All right.
For the future balance, you adjust.
Yes.
There is zero balance. Therefore, my question to the Honorable Minister, through you, madam, if there is NDRF, if you want to give immediate response to such a crisis, such a severity of calamity, then how are you going to respond? If you are giving a Vidarbha package, why are you Bundelkhand package? We are not against it. We are for Vidarbha package. We are for Bundelkhand package, but why not for Karnataka package? You give a Karnataka package immediately for
Thank you so
1,500
much.
crores.
Shivram
You
Gowda.
give a Karnataka package, and I
Shivram
want,
Gowda.
Madam, I want whether in 1 week's time, whether they are sending grains, whether they are sending money, that is the question before the government of India, madam. If not, they are hoodwinking the entire house and the country.